Hi guys, welcome back. We're back on MSP. A lot of my videos are gonna be mainly MSP because I just love that game. If you wanna add me, just go ahead and do so. I'm not gonna say no. I rarely ever do. If I know they're a scammer or something, I will. Okay, first of all, let's check my Fame magazine. Okay, my movie and my status. Okay, what's this? Okay, Baby Elsa. What kind of name is that? Okay, so let's update my status. Sorry if I'm talking really quiet. I'm not meaning to. Okay, so no one even knows my YouTube name on here yet. Okay, so YouTube Lily plays games. Okay, Anna. Recording. No, that looks like part of my name. I can't put that. This is so laggy. I'm recording. Say hi. Yeah. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do today is expose people on here. Right off the bat. Is this fake? I don't think this is fake. Had to draw a shirt. Me too. Hey there, hottie. Yes. Hot. Okay, what's this? Win Fluttercord. Okay, that face though. Sorry if I click on a lot of things, they're just really weird. Nostrils, yeah. Oops, do not click. Wait. Oogie. I don't understand. Okay. Who scams? Okay. Which one? Which one? Does deleted user scam? Because I think I know her. Oh, she sent all the VIP things. Yeah. I like getting gifts on MSP, even if they're just for myself. Sleeping Jungkook is probably the cutest. Okay. It's cute. Okay, wait, what? That face right there, you know, those dots and that line and those other dots is me right now. Shook. Wait. Wait. What? Okay. Nope. Oh yeah, guys. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm a huge fan of Lily Trescott. Roast. I would. Okay, I'm gonna roast her. I'm a really bad typer. I would roast you, but my mom told me not to burn trash. That's like literally one of the oldest comebacks. Can't take credit. It's still cute though, I guess. Okay, for real though. Why do we only rest in peace? Why don't we live in peace too? True. I blame Trump. That's a cute outfit she put on. Rates. I'll give her a 9. Because I don't like baseball that much, but she's kind of cute. She aight. Is this an edit? Because it's cool. I don't know what it is about edits, but I just like them. Oh, I love unicorns, so yes. Sorry if I keep on clicking on ones that, like, yeah, you know. We already saw that one. Okay, you know what this means. Yeah. One like Hazel Sound Labs. Boy, he doesn't need slaps, he needs common sense. Literally, though. I don't know how to spell sense off the top of my head. No. This is cute. Okay. Rate me. I know I'm ugly. I'll give you an 8. Because the lighting. Like, yeah. She kind of cute, I guess. Let's see. Well, that's cool, I guess. Unless that's fake. I mean, it's still cool, I guess. Okay, so let's change my outfit. I'm gonna change my outfit every time I start a new video. So I think I'm gonna wear this shirt. No, I wanna wear this. It's kind of cute. I don't know. I have like no shoes to match this though. I'm gonna change my makeup for now. I also have no makeup. Just remembered that. And the makeup I do have is really ugly because I got it when I was level 2. And then I barely have any money. So yeah. Hashtag greet and VIP me. I don't know. Do I have any shoes that would match this? No, I don't. Let's see. I'm gonna choose a random person out of all my friends that are online. Close my eyes. Okay, her. Let's just say hi to YouTube. If she doesn't know what YT stands for, she's probably like a 70-year-old man. I'll join her mall. I don't know. It's like really late. Not that late, actually. I look really ugly. I just realized that. Leave. I don't know why I'm hiccuping. Anyways, I just got here and I can already tell this is a horrible chat. It looks cool. Who got the floss? I got the floss to floss my teeth. Stay in school, kids. Oh yeah, I gotta do shout out. Ooh, someone. Okay, did she respond? Okay. Dark Clarissa says hi. YouTube says hi back. Let's just say you guys do, okay? Okay, this is getting a really filled chat room. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. So yeah, bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.